So guys, open your browser, preferably Chrome, and search for Pro Free Host. Don't forget to change it to desktop site mode because I love using it. It makes it look realistic. Then after that, click on register. Then input your preferred email address and password. I'm just going to skip the password part so you can continue the video. Then click go. Sorry, the internet connection is somehow poor. So after the registration is complete, it will ask you to activate your account. So go to your Gmail, then activate your account. Click on activate account. Then go to client area. Don't forget to change the desktop size again. So create new account. Enter your website name. So select anyone out of the two, then click the go. So after your account creation is complete, click on manage. Then scroll down, click on, you can see it showing creating. Then we refresh. Then click on control panel. Click on I approve. So guys, while this is loading, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment box below. So then your cpanel will also load. You can see loading. So from your cpanel, search for softaculos app installer. You can find it under software, then click on it. So after it loads, you see the top scripts. Click on WordPress and click install. So choose any of the four, then enter a site name for your blog and also a site description. I'm going to enter my tutorial. So I'm going to leave the site description just like that. So I'm going to enter my username and my password. Take note of this username and password, we'll be needing it later in this video. Enter your email, your admin email, then click install. So after the installation is through, so go to your website. Let's see what we just built. So you can see our website is now live, but we need some customization. So to access your admin, enter your website address /wp admin, just like this. So you'll be redirected to your admin page. So after the redirection is complete, enter the username and password you entered earlier, then click on remember and login. So you'll be redirected to your WordPress admin page, where you can control the settings of your blog, create new posts, create new pages, reply to comments, and so on. So to know how to customize your blog like a pro, I'll be leaving the link to the video in the description below, and also a card will pop up on your screen. You can click that. So this is a dashboard, and that's it.